Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are trying to explore one more concept with the help of Python. So basically when you check here I have the two documents. Let me open those documents. So in this document we have this data like in the structure of table. Okay, when you check here it's having something different like this, and you can see this having combination of two things. One is a product number and another one is a description. So when you check his description on coming on the downside part, and similar way we can see this is a one combination but having the only one data 231, which is called the unit price pack, and similar for these things. And VAT here, percentage VAT, this is a VAT, and amount VAT, this is amount VAT is 34.65. So like this we have this data. So I will open this another document as well. So we'll need to understand first how the things is available here. So once everything is done, so we'll go and I mean, first we'll extract this data. Later we'll see what will happen with this data. Okay, when you check here now, I have this around 12 table data are available, and here I have this only the three data available. And when you check here, 552873 is there, and when you check here, downside star CTS having some different data is there, and here also all the same things, but only the last having this CTS S075 data is looks like that. So now we'll try to explore how we can do with this Python. Okay, let's go back to this Python. I'm using this Visual Studio. So if you want, you can download that Visual Studio, or else you can go and use this normal Python application. Already I have designed this this thing. It's working fine, and we'll go one by one. What is the things are available? How we can use this? What is PyMud DF? And we'll explore all things. So here we can see these two things: import FITZ and import RE. So FITZ is nothing but as a which helps to read the data from that, and PYMU PDF, which is nothing but a one package where you are reading the data from the PDF under the table extraction. So when you say we have this normal PDF activities are there, and this PMYMUDF is there. So you can just copy this one and go to command like this command and pip install. You can install that package. So already I have installed, so I don't want to install again now. So the first step, what we need to use import fits FITZ. Okay, after that we are using one more import RE. So this RE is nothing but as a rejection. I mean regular expression where we are using this one. Okay. So first of all, we'll try to open this document. How we can open this document and how we can read this document, this data, how it looks like. So first we'll check that one. So later we'll go one by one, one by one. We'll try to explore all the steps one by one. 95% complete. So now when you say this, I want this one file path now. So just I'm taking this file path. So I'm declaring one variable. So my file path is here. So you can take any document, it's fine. As of now, I'm going with this first document. Okay, this is my file path. I hope you are able to see these things now. So I updated feeds, which is related to the Python, related to the PDF activities, and RE, which is nothing but as a regular expression things. And I declared the one variable which we call file path. So in this file path, I'm storing this file variable. Okay. And after this, we want to read that. So for read that, we can use this read, or you can use anything is fine. So as of now, I'm going with this doc. So doc is I'm declaring one variable. Okay. So I'm after this, I'm using feeds dot open. Okay, dot open. You can see this downside. You can able to see this. Some intentions are coming here, kind of indications. So you can use what things we can do with this help of feeds. So those things are available here. We can use this. So open off. So open what we need to open that particular file. So already I have the file path in one variable. Just pass that file path. Okay, file path. You can see this file path. Okay, now what it will happen? It will open this document. So once it open this document, so we don't know how many pages are will come. Basically, we'll get one page or two page. We don't know how many pages are will come. So for that, we need to use for each loop for num page, num underscore page. You can use num page directly, or you can use X. Anything is fine for when you're going. So you can should be the some kind of thing. It should be available. So num page in range. So this is a just a syntax for X in range. So X in range after I'm using this length of doc. So this doc, I'm using this doc. So we don't know how many things are will come here. So that's why I'm using how many length are there of this doc, and I'm getting this entire the data. So after this, we can use colon. So with this, it's a kind of indication when you see for x equal to 1 to 10 colon, and you can inside you can print whatever the data is, you are using that data. Okay, now I'm declaring page. So this is one variable which I'm using is page equals to doc 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 dot load. So we need to load that page now. So we can see this load that page after this page number. This page number is nothing but a num page. So just copy this and you can use this here. Okay, now what it will do now, it will read the data and store into this page variable. So like that, if you want, you can modify the variables as your requirement. There is no straightforward. You need to use this URL. You need to use this kind of variable. So there is no straightforward. So what type of variable you want, you can use that variable. No issues with that. Let me close this all. These all not required right now. So if you want, you can add again from there. So how many things are there? Okay, this one. Okay, fine. Let it be. So not any problem. So we load that data and storing into the one page. After this, I am declaring one variable. So text equals to this document page plus text. So we need to object that page dot get text or text page dot get text activity is there. Get underscore text. Let me check this activity. So this and all we are getting from this somewhere else. We can use it. So get text only. Yeah, fine. Get text. So whatever the data is there, it's just storing into there and using that. And everything is done after this. I'm using here print option. Print of text. So why using this print means if I want to see the data how it looks like, so that's why I use this text, sorry, print. So before using that, we need text is already declared now, so we need to declare text here. It's blank data. So initially when it is coming now, I don't want to store any data here, so that's why I declare one variable here, and after this I'm incrementing this one plus text. So whatever the data is in there, it's just coming and updating the data. Text plus it's correct only, but we are throwing one error indentation alt plus enter. So let me check what is there here. I will just copy this and I will update here. Okay, previous what I did. Okay, so this is the syntax of that. So if you write, if you did any syntax wrong error, it will give that. So make sure that syntax also is important here. So now everything is done. So here just I will run this automation and we'll check what type of data is throwing from this text. So when you know that data how it looks like, then only we are able to do the things. So now when you check here, so this is the my data. So let me go here. So it starts from here, product number, unit, pack, all the data, whatever the data is from this document, na, it's all extracted in line by line. So product number, all the data are available here, VAT, and we can see this data is available here. Okay, it looks like the data. And after this, we have this chargeable amount, all the stuff data is available here. Okay, so bank details, this and the rest of the data, and you can see this invoice, everything it's one by one, one by one, one by one, it's coming. Okay, now we get to know now how this data looks like. I zoom it here. So product number, so you can cross check here, product number. Okay, after this unit pack, quantity. So all the data has available here. So now we got to know how we can read the data as well. So now it looks good. So the next step, what we need to know, we need to extract that data. So whatever the data is there now, so we need to extract the data from there. For example, so let me, okay, I'm removing this print statement. So now we got this data. Okay, the data is available in one variable which we call text. So now we need to write one algorithm. It's small algorithm. So we are using with the help of RE. So regular expressions, with the help of regular expressions. So we are using these things. So already I have designed that expression. So just I'm copying and pasting here. So this is a table pattern. So I declared one variable, so which is called table pattern. So in this table pattern, what it will know, it will store all the things. For example, if you see wd plus 1, so this is related to this products. Okay, like that. Totally how many are there? So totally here 9 are there around. So when you check, this is a2 things. I will put this data as well, so you will get understand easily. So let me take this. So this is the stuff which designed. So where it starts, okay, let it back. And how it looks. Okay, so I will just, we need to move it back all the together. So when you say here indentation is a very important, so if you miss this indentation, we'll get some lot of errors. So that's why I'm going with one by one thing. So let it do this downside as well. So now everything is completed, and this should be the this should be this for each table. So fine. Okay, now what is this error tables dot append? So everything is looks good only. So I have not declared this variable. So table I'm taking here as the dictionary. Okay, now everything is fine. So now I will explain this what it will happens. Let me zoom it. Okay, this is fine. So when you check here, this is a table pattern. So in this table pattern, what details I have? So I have this product number. When I go this PDF again, so I have this product number, unit pack, quantity, unit price pack, this percentage plus or minus percentage, amount excluding VAT, amount VAT, percentage VAT, amount with VAT, and we have this description as well. Okay, these all the steps I have designed. So when you see this product number, so product number match of 0, that strip of things. So what it will know, it will just take this is a considered as the 1 means 0. So every time the index will start from 0. And unit pack, so unit pack matches of 1. From this it will calculate the unit and quantity, unit price, like this it will calculate the each and everything. Okay, so once this is done, so what it will do, I'm looping this one. So basically matches, so this is the matches. So in this matches I have stored this data re dot final table pattern dot text. So the table pattern is nothing but as a this table pattern, and the text is nothing but as a what I'm getting the data from the PDF. Okay, when I go little bit top, so you can see this the text. So with text is nothing but as a data from the PDF. Table pattern, which is nothing but as a small algorithm. It's not a big algorithm, it's just very, very small algorithm. Okay, in this algorithm, what we are doing, we declare everything. So based on this algorithm, we are going and checking in the text. Okay, this product number is available or not. If the product number is available with this matches of this thing, particular stack, okay, then update the text into this tables. Okay, this table is combination of keys and values. So when you say this is a dictionary, so under this dictionary we have this keys and values are there. Okay, now we declare everything this one. I hope you understand this one. Very small thing, not the huge thing I do. So this is a very small thing. So after this, I want to print this one. Just I am going downside and I will print it here. So make sure that here indentation is a very, very important. So print off. Already I have copied na tables. Okay, print of tables. Now what I will do, I will just remove this print. One more print which we text is there. Na? So let me check the text is there or not. Okay, print. Okay, I have used only the one print. So import RE, daisy, these things. And after this text tables. Okay, now done. So I have designed only the one print. So just I'm starting here and we can just check this data. So when you check this, the product number is 55873. I will go here. So we can check this 5583, sorry, 8273. Okay, and unit pack is PA, sorry, EA. Unit pack is EA, and the quantity is 1. And we can check this quantity is the 1. And unit pack price, so unit pack price is 231.00. And plus or minus, it's having the minus 25 data. So like that, all the data has been fetched here. Okay. So now you hope understand this one. Na? So just I'm repeating this thing one more time. Let me, okay. Now this is fine. It looks okay. So now we got this data extraction. Everything is done. So there is no issues. So this is a code which I have designed the same thing in different way. So I will explain this code as well. So before going to this, you need to understand. Okay, here what are the things are we taken. I will export the one more time. So when you say this, so this is a PDF automation. So from the one PDF, I need to extract the data, which is in the format of table. So when you go with normal PDF, you can able to read the data in the format of text format. Not this here also text format, but slightly changes is there. So when you use normal PDF, just we can read the data and we can do that. So if you want, you can try from your side as well. It's fine. It's no issues for me. So here we are using this one activity. I mean one package, which we call mud PDF. So MU PDF. So PYMU PDF. So this package, based on this package, we are importing this feeds. So feeds is another module, just integrate of that. So once you get the package, under that package we have this lot of the things are there. From that we are importing the feeds. So under this feeds we are reading the document. So once I read the document, I will open this document and I will loop document. So I don't know how many pages are there. I will group each one by one pages. I'm extracting the data from there. So once I extracted the data, it's storing into one variable which you call text. And I have designed one algorithm which is related to the table pattern. So in this pattern, what I use now, I use this regular expression. So we can see this RE nothing but as a regular expressions. So if you don't know these things, how we can do this means you can just go to Google. Okay, just go to Google here. Okay, regexxr.com is there. Okay, so you can just update the data from here and you can check each one by one text. So each one by text. For example, if you say this, just copy this thing. For example, I'm showing one thing. So just copy this. No, not here. So paste it here and remove this text from here and go here and copy this data and paste it here. Oh, still not copied properly. So let me copy. Okay, when you check this, it having the matches some kind of patterns. When you check here, so account number, some kind of patterns are matching. So like that, we need to identify and we need to fetch the data. So with the help of regex only, we are doing everything here. So when you see this algorithm is a regex algorithm is a very small things which we did. Okay, once I did that, so what I'm doing the next step. So let me go down. So whatever the rejection pattern is then I'm storing in one table. Okay, after that find all. Okay, re dot find all. So find all means whatever the data is finding there, not just extract and putting into some pattern here. So when you say table dot append, so when this is find, for example, first it will check this one. It will check if it is find, it take this product match of 0, and after this it will take unit pack of 1. So maybe it will find once or twice, so it will take one by one. So when you say this, it having this 0, so it will go with one by one and it match, it's appending the data, it's looping 10 times, it will loop. Okay, so once everything is done, so it already everything stores into this table and we can display these tables. Okay, now this is fine, it looks pretty good. Okay, now what we did here things, so I will just I will put this data here in notepad. Okay, now when I go this here, so I have written this all the things. So initially why I mentioned this one, so this is a model which we are using, and this is I put each and everything, so what it will do, why these functions are include, all the things are there. So initially when I try to export the data now, so I try to export only the getting for the only data. So when you check here PDF document downside, I have this, so one more extra column which I see this one sorry for that, star city. So initially I check only these two things, later I get to know, okay, here one got missed. So that's why I mentioned this comments as well. So it including everything each and one by one. And this document we can say this print everything. So once it is done now, so I'm printing one by one this keys and values. Okay, so what it will do now, if condition, I'm taking this if condition if is equal to main. So here itself I'm calling the one function. So the automation starts from here and it will go here def. Okay, first it will go to here and it will store this file path. After this, it calling the one more function which we call nothing but as a tech, which we call this extraction of PDF data. So when I go here, extract PDF data and passing this file path. Okay, whatever the data is then storing into this text. If you want, you can print it here. It will get the display of the data. And next, what it will do, extracting the data tables. So after this extracting the data, I have this one data text. So in the text only everything it stores, it come to here and it will run this one more function. So I mean I not explain this one why this def is coming. So this and all if you know the basics, then it's easy to crack. But anyway, I will try to do basics as well, not immediately, it will take some time for me. So like that we design everything, and after this, once everything is done, so I'm looping for each table and I'm extracting the data. So now I'm running this one. Okay, where it is, let me check. Okay, here this is not highlighted. Okay, let me stop this and I'm running this one. So now we can see this, it will give this data. See what is happened. Okay, so here what happened now, the file PDF path. Why it's thrown error. PDF path, it looks okay. The PDF path which I have changed its location. So let me copy this path and I will remove this. I will update and I will stop this automation and rerun this one more time. Tables one, I declare. Okay. Okay, let it be. This is fine. Looks good. No problem. I will go back to here and I will run this automation from here itself. So just I'm updating this document and I will just press F5. Okay, extracted C user downloads PY. But I have designed this one. Okay, so here the problem is I need to declare the path like this. So initially it was black slash. So just I need to change this to forward slash. So in Python, it won't accept like that. Sometimes it will accept, but most of times we prefer go for this way method. So now I'm running this auto. I mean this one more time. Okay, still tables. So what is this tables? Tables. I have declared only this table only. Let me run. Yeah, now we can see this. So we got this output. So now everything it looks good. So we can see this table one is nothing but as a line number one, and table two is nothing but as a line number two, or maybe row number two and row number three. So now we got this, all the this data is extracted. Now it's very clear. Okay. Now I will go to another document. So which we have this another document has one. It's having some bunch of data. So just I copy this path. Okay. And just only the thing is I will change this document name. So doc name. Okay, now running this automation. So now we can check this. So totally we have this 12 rows are there. So let me open this second doc as well. So we can see 12 rows are there. So now we got to know now how we can extracted this data, everything. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, now how this data we can integrate it with UiPath. So that's the main thing. So we'll check that as well.